Amami Oshima is the largest island between Kyushu and Okinawa in the south of Japan. It is known as the Galapagos of Asia, with endemic flora and fauna species that have long been extinct in other parts of the planet. Recently, the Japanese government proposed the island as a candidate for a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but Amami Oshima faces several environmental problems, and this is one of the stories: the beach of Katoku, known also as the Jurassic Beach of Amami.
This is probably the only beach with a village in the back that doesn't have a seawall in all of Japan, but for sure in all of Amami. It's actually the only beach village with no seawall, with a natural river mouth like you can see. So what's going to happen, that's a very sad story. They're planning to build a seawall, not just a tiny seawall, but a huge, tall, 6.5 meter seawall. So that's like 3-story high. They plan to build it right in the middle of the beach over there. And that's probably the stupidest idea in the world, because they're going to start concreting the riverbed and make the river go straight always. This is the only place where you still have the Amami identity of the people, where you can go down the beach from the dune through a little forest of pandan trees, and you don't find that anywhere else in Amami. Every village has a seawall and maybe some stairs every 100 meters, so you don't even have any access to the beach. And once you build a seawall, what happens in every village, the beach just disappears, because you can't really retain the sand in front of a seawall, right? You don't have any vegetation, you don't have any roots, plant roots. Seawall is a bit like a dam, it doesn't let the water go through. So the sand dries quickly and the wind just blows it away. Then the wave hit the seawall, and what happens is you have the backwash, yeah? You just push the sand back into the ocean. The saddest thing of all is once they build a seawall, no one's gonna care about this place anymore. And once no one cares about a place, it just gets worse and worse, and you can see that many places around Amami Oshima. Really, this is the last place in Amami where you can still really feel, the nature. And a lot of people actually call this place, the Jurassic Beach of Amami, because it's also the only place in Japan where you had a leatherback turtle. You really feel part of Mother Nature, really. To me, it just looked like a Jurassic Beach, the kind of place where you see in movies like King Kong, for example. This is in Amami, this is in Japan, and you don't have a place like this anymore. They don't exist, and yet they don't, the Kagoshima Prefecture and also the Ministry of Transport and Tourism doesn't keep track of which beach doesn't have concrete, which beach is valuable. It doesn't matter to them, And that's the saddest thing of all. They're gonna destroy, they're gonna concrete the last remaining beach with a village, probably in all of Japan. That's extremely sad.